Seedance 2.5 just broke the one rule every other AI video tool said was unbreakable. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to make content that actually keeps people watching. Here's the rule it broke. Until now, almost every AI clip died at around 8 to 15 seconds. Long enough to look cool, but way too short to tell a real story. Seedance generates a full 30 seconds in one continuous shot. No stitching, no hidden cuts. And 30 seconds is the whole difference between a clip and an actual scene, with a beginning, a middle, and an end. So here's your first tip. Stop writing prompts for 3-second clips. Write one real scene, an establishing shot, an action, a reaction, and let it breathe. You're not editing around the model anymore. You're directing it. And this is the kind of thing it makes. Worlds, characters, products, most of it from a single line of text. Upgrade number 2, references. You can now feed it up to 50 inputs at once, images, audio, even video. The old version capped out at 12, and that one number quietly changes everything because it buys you consistency. Here's the tip brands pay thousands for. Feed it your product, your colors, and your spokesperson, and it keeps them identical across an entire campaign with no reshoot. 3. The audio is generated together with the video in the same pass. So footsteps, lips, and music actually line up instead of being glued on afterward. 4. It went native 4K, and the character and the lighting stay locked across the whole shot. That's the exact thing that used to fall apart halfway through a clip. And there's regional editing. Redraw one part of a frame and leave everything else untouched. Think Photoshop, but for video. Now, I'll be honest with you, because this is the tip nobody gives you. It's not magic. Really fast, chaotic action can still wobble, and you'll still want 2 or 3 attempts to nail a shot. Plan for that, which is exactly why this video is sponsored by DXbuilder. Here's the real problem with every AI model. The same prompt that works in one model falls apart in another. DXbuilder's prompt engine rewrites your idea into the exact prompt each model actually wants, so you hit the shot on the first try and burn fewer generations. Same idea, far less wasted time and money. One honest catch with Seedance. After pressure from Hollywood, it now blocks real faces and copyrighted characters. So it's built for original content, not deepfakes. It lands in July 2026, and right now it's in enterprise beta. But here's the payoff I promised you. A new best model drops basically every single month, and chasing each one is a trap. What actually wins is the system around it. Research a topic, write the perfect prompt for today's model, generate, caption, and render every single day. That is the entire point of our content studio. It plugs straight into models like Seedance, runs that whole loop on autopilot, and turns one idea into a finished video. Across Seedance today, and whatever beats it next month. So while everyone else is busy chasing the next model, you just keep shipping. The link is in the description. Now tell me in the comments, what would you make with a single 30-second shot? This is Felipe with AI